Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we are going to take a look at an absolutely stunning 1953 Chevrolet Deluxe. I can't say enough about this car, guys. This car is gorgeous. Bought this from a gentleman. Matter of fact, him and I, he's bought a couple from me. I bought a couple from him. He's out of West Virginia. He did not restore this car. He bought this car completely done. I guess an older man out of West Virginia had this car for a long time. Started the restoration. Sounds like he never got it done. And then somebody completed it, and then that's how Vernon ended up with it. But 700 miles on a complete nut and bolt rotisserie restoration, and it's just killer, guys. Factory color combination. This was an original surf green car. It was an original two-tone green interior. It's got a custom leather two-tone interior in it now. And man, in the bottom of this car is just as nice as the top. This is a show car. I really couldn't find really much to pick at. There's a little thing, a ding up here in the chrome we'll show you, but just an awesome car. Gorgeous paint. There's a little ding in the chrome we talked about, but other than that, you're just nitpicking the car. It is stunning. Love the color. Matter of fact, Vern told me when I bought this car, I bought it through pictures, and he told me that when the car got here, I was going to like it more when it got here. Vern, you're right. It, let's see if something comes off. It's stunning. Matter of fact, if this car sits around here at all, I'm just going to take it home. Great car. He said he had it at 3. His car's been out to 3 shows. It's won best of show every show. All new tinted glass. You can see how nice the trim and the stainless is. Love the interior. I just went and drove it a little bit. Man, I mean, just goes down the road just as sweet as can be. Great car. It's got 54 taillights in it. It also has a custom front grille bar. Killer car. Love the stance. Like I say, driving it, it's a little baby doll. Thing just hit the road great. These are 18-inch Coys on the rear, 17s on the front. Goodyear rubber all the way around it. It has a Heights Mustang 2 style front tubular suspension on it with a power rack. Everywhere you look, like I said, it cost you $100 grand to build this car. This car is stunning. Aftermarket AC. This is he said it's a 350 crate engine, supposed to be 340 horse. I love how they put the old oil bath air cleaner on it. It is a 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Again, power rack and pinion steering. It's tubular Heights front suspension, power front disc brakes. It has a 700R4 automatic overdrive transmission in it. Air blows cold. Electric wipers, they work. Look how pretty that car is. side mirror, and new door handles. Door seams are nice and clean. Love the interior. Super comfortable. Little mark there on your door. It might come off. Again, this is all custom. New carpet. Very comfortable ride in bench seat. It's got an Ididit tilt column with a custom wheel. Of course, it's got an Autometer custom gauge cluster in it. $700 miles on the car. Electric wipers, no radio. It's radio delete. I love this, how they did the satin dash. I love that. Look how nice the chrome and stuff is on the dash. It's just a beautiful car. Flowmaster H-pipe dual exhaust. Got a 10-bolt rear axle. No big gear. You can definitely get on the expressway and cruise it. It does have a rear sway bar, so it's nice and tight. There's your on and off switch. Your battery's mounted in the back here. You don't want to lose these. Sorry, I knew it was going to happen. Just photos of the restoration. I think there's some receipts and stuff in here. Grab this stuff and put it back in here so we don't lose it. Grab that, Nathan. Yeah. Just put that in there. I'll shut this. You can see they finished the trunk area. It's got all custom wiring harness. And look at the bottom. So you've heard of oxidized primer floorboards. They've actually painted them that color. It's gorgeous underneath there. See the rear sway bar. Beautiful, beautiful car. And these are really plush, very comfortable. Beautiful dash. Billet pedals. It's got your air on, it blows cold. Just hits the road great. It's got a belt squeaking a little bit. Ah, that's a nice car. Great sound. Jack works, holding good old pressure. All the gauges are functional. 718 miles. Backup lights work. And it's one of those cars you drive it. I mean, it just drives just as good as it looks. Everything opens and closes real nice. It's got Alexa. It's got electric wipers. What a little sweetheart, man. And guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Hey Vernon, you were right. I love it better than the photos.